Let's chat. To be honest, I was very nervous, a little bit scared of hormone therapy because of all the terrible information there is out on the internet that's honestly wrong, based on studies from 20 years ago that were not good studies, called the Women's Health Initiative. So be leery of that one. I heard the horror stories, the myths, and I wasn't sure if it was safe. But one day I realized doing nothing was scarier. After years of feeling exhausted and foggy and disconnected, I started learning everything I could about hormones. You have to do your own due diligence. You have to start researching this information. Get educated. That's the best thing you can do. So you have that information when you go to your doctor and you can say, this is what I've been researching. I want to talk about this. I interviewed 4 doctors before I found one that would help me. Okay, so you can do that. I found out that balancing my hormones isn't about reversing age so much as it is about restoring myself. For me, that meant finding the right doctor, getting my levels tested. Blood tests can test for your estrogen levels and your testosterone levels and your progesterone levels. If you're having hot flashes and mood swings, and this is a regular daily occurrence, you can pretty much bet that your estrogen levels are in the toilet. For me, it meant finding the right doctor, like I said, getting those levels checked and learning about bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. And for me, I went the route of pellets, and I'll talk to you more about pellets in another video. It's a way of getting those bioidentical hormones delivered into your body, okay? It wasn't instant. It took a few weeks before I started feeling the effects of the hormones, but when I did, boy, it was significant, to say the least. I could think clearer again. I stopped going to the freezer to put a book away or whatever, silly stuff like that. I stopped being anxious and afraid to drive. And it wasn't just physical either. When my hormones came back into balance, so did my confidence, my focus, and my motivation. It was like someone had just lifted the blindfold off me. I felt great. The fog lifted, and with it, my fear, my anxiety. I got to tell you, I was getting afraid to drive. That's how bad it was. And I love to drive, but it scared the bejeebers out of me all of a sudden. I started to feel happy again. I wasn't arguing at my husband. Everything he did didn't irritate me. He didn't irritate me to death. And ladies, you know what I'm talking about. Just the way he chewed, I wanted to. That went away, and we could have conversations and we could laugh again, which was amazing. And a quiet thought crept in at the same time. I can feel good again, is what I thought. And what else might there be possible? If this is what's happening now, what's yet to come? That's when my story started to shift, and I went from surviving to thriving. In the next video, I'm going to share with you how that new energy and clarity gave me the courage to dream again at 61, and how it completely changed my life. I'm Michelle. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found it informative, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.